Okay, these are my two latest monarchs. Their names are Victor and Whiskey. I named them after elements of the Army alphabet. The one fluttering around right here with his wings open, that's the male. That's Whiskey. This other one is the female. That's Victor, as it turns out. And they should be about ready to go. So let's see if they'll take off. Pick him up. Alright, you ready to go? Maybe? God knows you were fluttering enough in your cage there. Alright, well, he'll probably take off pretty soon, so we're just going to put him down right here. Go ahead. There you go. There he goes. Alright, how about you? Come here. Come on. Come on. There we are. Bye.